So guys, I just got done power washing the boat. Let's take a look and see how much better it looks. So guys, starting back here at the transom, it is rotted, but I think it'll be okay for a little while. Right here is the drain plug on the boat, and I'm gonna actually work at getting this out. I believe it might be rusted in there. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna put WD-40 on it. So I mentioned the seats. They were pretty disgusting, but at the same time, they're still very usable. They're quite ugly, but they're usable. You can just see the difference. This boat was completely full of vegetation, and now look at it. I missed a little bit up in here. That was at the very top when I was on the ladder. Not a big deal. I got majority of the crud out. So down here, there's these holes, and there's one at the back seat too. It's a little bit bigger. It's not as smashed. There's a ton of stuff up underneath there, so I just spent a lot of time spraying all that stuff out. So the outside of the boat, I actually didn't worry about washing because, to be honest, it looks really good. I started to spray one side, and I noticed I really wasn't making much of a difference, so I decided to leave it as is. So this boat is about 11.5 feet long. That's a really great size. The kayaks I was looking at were between 11 and 12 feet. But, you know, this is free. Kayaks cost money. I have the trailer. That's going to require some work. So the next step for the boat is I'm going to let it dry. After that, I'm going to find some sort of sealant, maybe like a Flex Seal. So this boat is a lot older than I am, but it looks great. It looks the best I've ever seen it. And I do not remember a time where it looked this good. It looks great. I'm very, very proud and happy with the way it looks. I did miss one little spot, but I'm not going to split hairs. So earlier I spoke with my dad. He actually has an outboard motor that is for this boat. He said it's basically brand new. He also has a trolling motor for me. So basically the only other thing that I will need for this is a nice deep cycle battery. So thank you guys so much for watching Eat, Explore, Hunt. My name is Jeff. I hope you're enjoying this little bit of a boat restoration. I'm very happy and I'm very excited to have this boat and to be able to do this. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good one.